Today we are going to be making a video of storm chasing and just tornado. So we will have to go try to get in a tornado. So the thing, like how to get in tornadoes really often. So tornadoes spawn like over there where I'm looking at. Tornadoes always spawn somewhere on this side, but they usually spawn right here. So if you want to be in a lot of tornadoes, all you need to do is just stay up there or come over here with your friends and stuff. So the car that we are going to be having is the TIV2 Tornado Interceptor. So the thing that we are going to do, we're going to try to get in both of these tornadoes. So I'm going to try to get close to them so then we can actually like get into them. And how to tell where they're going, if you go into the slide bar and if you go to radar, and so the place that tornado, like the place where you spawned at is sewer, so that is where tornadoes usually go after. So I'm going to try to be able to get into this tornado. So hopefully this goes out good. I'm gonna place down a probe to see how much the wind speeds are going. Oh no, I might have done this at the wrong time. There is 58 miles per hour on this. We did it at the right timing. So we're gonna 161, 107, 188, 197. Let's see if we were able to 183. Let's see if we're able to 194. We're gonna see if we'll be able to get in the tornado. We're kind of in it, but 200 miles per hour, 200 miles per hour, bro. That's the best. That's the best that I got yet. That we got off of the tornado. 200 miles per hour. We're just gonna wait until the tornado is gone, and I'll just pick up this, and now I will go other places. Oh no, wait, that tornado is not gonna come after us. That tornado, we can just drive into that tornado. Like some tornadoes that you can actually just drive into it without intercepting. Let's see if we can do it on this. Wait, hold on. Let me see what tornado thing it is. It is a green. So, yeah, we could probably survive by going into it. Maybe, I don't know. I don't think we are going to be able to. But we're just going to try. Okay, I need to get out and get back in. Oh yeah, and plus if you like get out during like when the deploy is happening, and just when you want to undeploy, just undeploy, wait until it's done, and then just jump out of the car and get back in. Oh dang, that person was pretty fast. Let's see if we can go inside this tornado without intercepting. Yeah, we can. Now this one we're not going to be able to, but we can probably see if we can actually get in it again. So we could just go all the way over here. Or, actually I'm going to go all the way over here to this other tornado. I have to see where it's going. It is going, okay, so it is going all the way over here. And it's tracking down one of these streets. So we're gonna see how what the winds are on this tornado. Oh no. Oh, wait. This tornado, yeah, this tornado is going to be coming straight after us, so let's try to see if we can actually get up here. Hopefully we don't die. Here, I'm just gonna go onto the other side. If this tornado might come after us. Wait, no, it's going a different direction now. Oh yeah, and plus this, if I already told you, but this game is called Just Tornado, and I'm playing alone right now. So that's why no one is with me, except this person that got in my car. I don't know who it is. But okay, this tornado, 154 miles per hour on this tornado. I don't know. Yeah, we might not be able to intercept in this tornado. Wait, what's the tornado radar thing? It's a white. Wait, is that a red? That might be a red. But there is no way that is going to be a white. That is like a red. Yeah, that's the red one. Red one is EF4 tornado. That actually does look like an EF4 tornado. That looks like an EF0 tornado. We could probably just drive into that since it's only going 36 miles per hour. So let's see if we can actually drive in. Well, we're gonna see what if something happens if we drive into this tornado. All the tornadoes are about to be gone, but yeah, you could just drive into that tornado. It doesn't do anything. You can drive into every single EF0 and EF1 since they don't go that fast if you have this car. You might be able to go inside an EF3 tornado, but yeah, we're not going to be able to intercept with this tornado. Oh no, it's not letting me drive. No, it's not letting me drive. Oh no, no. This is bad. It's kind of pushing us, but we can't even drive in the first place. So it's either my car's broken or something, or it's the tornado that's doing it. See, look, I'm pressing. You can't really see, but I'm pressing the button, and it's not working. So I have to get a new car. I'm going to see if we can go into this tornado without intercepting. Our car might be broken or something. It's not working. We're going to go back to the spawn area to see if more tornadoes will spawn. So, armadillo. There's an armadillo there. I forget where the place is, and it's a little bit far. Oh, there it is. I see it. Okay, so tornadoes spawn on this side over here. So we could probably stay right here until another tornado spawns. Maybe. I mean, I guess we can stay here. Oh, there's another tornado. I see it. Hold on, if I can. It's undeploying. It takes a while. Oh, another tornado. I'm gonna go drive into it. And that's gonna be the end of this video. So I'm going to go drive into this other tornado. And we're gonna see what will happen. So I'm almost there. And we're gonna see how fast this tornado goes. Hold on, where is this tornado even going? I can't move, my car's stuck again. Which, oh, I think, no. Okay, so this one is going straight. Like, right here. Or it's this one. I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna place one of these. Oh no. No. I can't find that wind speed. Wait, what's the for 75? I'm not surviving. I'm kind of, but I would be dead if this was real life. Maybe. Oh yeah. Okay. We're gonna see. I'm just stuck in this tornado right now. That will be the end of the video. Bye.